Welcome to the world of innovation at RoboBharati Manipal. Unlock the possibilities with Lego robotics and let your innovation shine. Teamwork, imagination, and hands-on exploration, anyone can become an
Learning
innovator.
about electronics at RoboBharati helps me to build problem-solving skills and spark curiosity about how things work. Circuit boards like this are the brain of electronic
I'm
devices.
super excited to share my amazing experience at RoboBharati in Manipal. Built my own model and coding to complete the challenge. Favorite part was clearing science maths concepts by doing experiments. I had such wonderful experience. I really enjoy how the RoboBharati courses are set up. Learning about robotics and basic electronics is super exciting. When I go to my classes at RoboBharati, I don't even notice how fast time goes by. It's such a cool experience.